We are going to represent some rational numbers on number line. Suppose we take numbers like 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 4 by 6. We see all these three rational numbers are also proper fractions, since numerator is less than denominator in each case. Then such numbers will always lie between 0 and 1. These are rational numbers which are also proper fractions. Numerator less than denominator, they will always lie between 0 and 1. Let us see how we will represent them on number line one by one. Suppose we have to represent this first number 2 by 3. This is a number line -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. We have to divide this 0 and 1 into 3 parts, including this 1, 2 and 3. We have numerator 2, 1, 2. Therefore, this represents 2 by 3 on this number line. Now we are taking 5 by 7. -1, 0, 1, 2. Again, as I earlier said, this will also lie between 0 and 1. Now we have to divide 0 and 1 into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 should be this, number 1. Now numerator is 5, so we will start counting from here, not here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, this represents 5 by 7 on number line. Now we are going to see 4 by 6. We will take another number line for this. Again -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. We have to divide 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have numerator 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this will represent 4 by 6 on this number line. We have seen these three numbers to represent on number line. Now, if we change the sign, if we make them negative, minus, now they will lie between 0 and -1. Let us see how we will represent them. This is -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now we will divide 0 and -1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Now we have numerator 2, 1, 2. So this will represent -2 by 3. Now let us take -5 by 7 on another number line. We have 0 here, -1, 1 and so on. Now we will divide again 0 and -1 into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All should be equal. Now numerator we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will represent -5 by 7 on number line. Now we are going to take -4 by 6. We have number line this 0, -1 and 1. Again we will divide this and this into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and including this 6. Now we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be -4 by 6 on the number line. Now we are taking improper fraction, rational numbers which are improper fractions. Suppose we are taking 12 upon let us take 7. 24 upon 5, and let us take again minus or plus 19 upon 6. First of all, we will change them into improper fractions. Sorry, they are already in improper fraction. We will change them into mixed fraction. When we divide this, we will get 1 time 7 1 ja 5 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 plus 5, 12. This one 5 4 ja 20. 4. Let us take here 23. Or 2 4 will come here. There will be some doubt. 5 4 ja 20. Here we can write 3 by 5. 19 by 6. 6 3 ja 18. 1 by 6. Now we will take 1 by 1. This 12 by 7 we are going to represent here. This 12 by 7 is equal to 1 whole number 5 upon 7. So this number will lie between 1 and 2. Whole number part we have 1. So this number will lie between 1 and 2. So we will represent this on number line between 1 and 2. Here we have 0. This we have 1 taken. This have 2. 3 minus 1 and so on. 1 5 by 7. Between 1 and 2 it will lie, and we will divide this into 7 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Numerator we have 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. This will represent one whole number 5 by 7 or 12 by 7. Now we are taking this 23 upon 5 on another number line. The mixed number for this is 4 whole number 3 by 5. So this will lie between 4 and 5 because whole number part is here. We will see this number here. 4 and 5. 4 I am taking here. 5, 6, 3. It will go both sides. Now we are dividing this 4 and 5 into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here numerator we have 3. This 3. So 1, 2 and 3. This represents 23 by 5 on number line. Now we have to represent 19 by 6. Mixed number for this is 3 whole number 1 by 6. So this number will lie between 3 and 4. We have taken another number line. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 2. Now 3 and 4 will be divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, including this 6. Now we have 1 here, first part. This represents 19 by 6 on number line. Now if we change the sign of these numbers, these were positive earlier. Now we are going to make them negative. So this will become minus 1 whole number 5 by 7, minus 4 whole number 3 by 5, minus 3 whole number 1 by 6. Now this number will lie between minus 1 and minus 2. Like this we are going to see here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this will be 0. Now we are going to divide this part into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one 7. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This represents minus 12 by 7 on this number line. We are going to show this one. Minus 23 upon 5 will be minus 4 whole number 3 upon 5. So this will lie between minus 4 and minus 5. We are taking here minus 4, this minus 5, this minus 6, minus 3 and so on. Now we are dividing minus 4 and minus 5 into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have 3. So 1, 2, 3. This will be minus 23 upon 5. And similarly we can represent this also on the number line. So today we have seen how we can represent different rational numbers on number line.